Well, in our last video, we didn't get the full trip done. So we're going to start this one out here on Cherry Ridge. It's government road, whatever it is, national road. I don't know what they call them, but it's on the map and it's number 200. It's going to take us to 190. Then we're going to go to 188. Then from there we went down to another road and it's 184, which turned into 158. You're going to see that also. But I'll tell you what, that last one, 184 was bad. When we got to 158 and we had to go through a creek, I called her quits. Because I ain't going to go up there by myself in case something does break down. Roads here. I'd like to go get on this one here and see what this is. I don't know what that is. But the best way to find out what that is go look at it. Well, we left the cabin thinking we could find, make the loop. You can't make the loop. The road is closed. So we had to go down and get on 200 now. And we're going to go up to, what's it called? What they call it? Cherry what? Cherry Creek what?
I already forgot. Cherry Ridge?
Cherry Ridge, yeah, Cherry Ridge. We're going to go check out Cherry Ridge up here. It doesn't make a loop, that 216. It shut off. So we had to do some backtracking. Now we're on 200, which should hit 190 and then take us to 188 and then back to the highway. But we're going to go see what Cherry Ridge looks like. It's a lot rougher road here. Two-wheel drive could make it, but you know, you might slip a little. Well, kind of found this interesting. Nice little meadow up here. Just passed a whole bunch of bicyclers camped up there behind us from all out of state, California and other places. That's kind of pretty out there. I bet that's got a lot of grazing critters on it. I wonder what that was at one time. That looks like a... I don't know what it is, but it broke off and they threw it there. Oh, we're in the mud. A little water back there, guys. Anyway, pretty meadow, I think. What do you guys think? A lot of trees that are down. Little creek. I wonder if that's Cherry Creek. King Creek. That might be King Creek. All right, we're going to keep on keeping on. They call this road Cherry Ridge. Oh, you should smell it. Too bad we ain't got smell-o-vision. Oh, it smells wonderful. Pines. We're kind of wishing we'd have brought a lunch today. Yesterday we brought a lunch and ate at a cafe.
Yeah.
Anyway, we've been driving for quite a while. Ran into somebody that actually drug a trailer up a mountain, up a pass, that we was wondering about the RV. A while ago when I said a two-lane, two-wheel drive vehicle could make it, well, it did, and it drug a big trailer up. So I think this is one of the roads we take to get back down to the highway. I think this one is 190, isn't it? 190 is what we was looking for. Looks like a wind road. What does it say? Yeah. The skiers do this. This is a cross-country ski area and bear area. Yeah, I don't know. Here we go. To Lodge. I guess we're headed to the Lodge. I bet that's where that comes out at, that 188. Yeah. This, I think, is going to drop us down at the bottom of the
Galena.
Yeah, Galena Summit. There's a little lodge down there. We went over Galena yesterday, but this is a 10 mile an hour to 5 mile an hour road, unless you just want to tear your vehicle up. So anyway, that's where we are, Cherry Ridge, and I think we're dropping down now. Well, I'm going to show you this. I ain't going to go up there because it may be somebody's property, but this is pretty cool. Way up here on the top of nowhere, they got a little yurt. Little campground with a little yurt. They got some firewood or something over there to the right. That's kind of cool. Solar. Huh. Never know what you're going to run into. Hopefully not a bear. Hopefully not a bear. Well, we're on 184 or 184A. We don't know which one it is. I think it's the same thing. But anyway, that's where we're at. We're thinking this one's a long one. We think this may take us up there in the mountains to a lake. If so, you know we're going to film it for you. Oh, we'll film anything. Just hang in here. Oh my goodness, it's smooth, isn't it? Oh, here's 184 and 184A, and I think it just loops into itself. Doesn't it look like it to you? I think it does.
Yeah.
Which way you want to go?
You want to go that way?
Okay, this way. All right. Well, fellers, we decided not to do this one. It is very rough. And it's rough enough that they want you to sign in just in case something happens to you up there. And if you notice, we got to go through a creek here. No telling how many more we got to go through up there. And I'm not too crazy about creek crossings, but we're going to cross one again. And then we're going to go back down. I think we've done enough up here. This looks like it's more made for ATVs and stuff. It's really, really rough. But we're going to have to cancel out on this one. We just don't want to tear the Jeep up. We don't know what's up in there, if there's anything good or not. But this is the smoothest part of the road right here. And we still got 5 miles to go. I think this may be why they call this Boulder Mountain. Because it is full of boulders. Don't bring your two-wheel drive up here. Don't bring your car up here for sure. You'd bottom out. You can see why we didn't want to go further. It's pretty narrow, and it's on a, what would you say on bumpy scale of 1 to 10?
20.
20 on a 1 to 10. It's pretty bumpy. And I just didn't want to do 5 miles of this.
Oh my God.
By ourselves. Oh, Vickie's
Good
like,
Lord.
Vickie's like a bobblehead over there. Poor little light thing. Yeah, if you was to break something up in there, you'd be screwed. You want to go up there with a partner, I think, in another rig. Yeah, see, it's 5 miles further of that road to get to where he's going to go. Then you got to turn around and come back. And we just don't. I wonder what the other road's like there.
No.
You think
It's
that's
the same.
Is it the same?
Yes.
We're gonna go find. Let's go find a paved road to explore. Oh boy! Oh my God! Oh, I can't even reach up and turn the camera off. Okay, you can see we're back to camp. Well, the first part of the day was pretty good. We got to see some pretty cool stuff. But I'll tell you what, 2 of them roads, you already seen that part of the roads. They were terrible. They were terrible. I think they were made more for the razors, ATVs. I mean, it was just a bouncing Vickie around in there like you would not believe. As far as the rig goes, so the old tow did okay. It's a little dirty. I don't know how deep that creek was, but I noticed it's cleaned off under there, so it was pretty deep. deeper than I thought. Probably got about up to the running boards at least. It did okay. I'm pleased with it. I mean, it ain't made to go off-road, or I wouldn't have that thing hanging down there. So it did fine. Let's get you around here. I think we're going to call that traveling all we're going to do on them roads for now. We're going to take off tomorrow morning. There'll be maybe some more filming tonight. I don't know. Sorry about the wind. Wouldn't you know it? Comes up just when I start talking to you. Anyway, refrigerator still broke, but we know what that is. The Jeep tested out. The rest of the rig tested out. Vickie survived. So anyway, I think we're going to call that end of this part of the video. There might be more. Probably maybe tomorrow when we go home, but maybe not. Anyway, thanks for following. Hey, I hope these videos make you feel like you're right with me and you're my friend, because you are right with me and you are my friend. I've seen other people that really don't like the people that follow them, their subscribers. I've talked to them. I've seen them on there. I like you guys, and I appreciate you following me and all your comments. So, hey, hope you're having a good week too. See you later. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos of this series going up into the mountains here of Sawtooth Mountains. This is the end of it. Sturgis Movies maybe next. Stay tuned, subscribe, you know what to do. See you later.